Ujima, a Swahili word for collective responsibility, the ethic of looking after one another, of being human together. Desmond Tutu famously said, "My humanity is bound up in yours, for we can only be human together." And watching this footage back, I find myself thinking about how these people, this community, has done just that for me and many other Black students at Skidmore. How my joy is so wrapped up in somebody else's joy when I'm in this community that it becomes an expansive, collectively carried, widened kind of joy. How it becomes this thing that we are all making and pouring into and honoring together. I think that's what a true celebration of Black history is about remembering others because we trust them to remember us too, celebrating others because we are sure of their celebration of us, loving others because we know that they will love us too. You are as your brother is, as your sister is, as your mother and father are. You are as your neighbor is. Whatever that is, whatever is true to us, that is what we will celebrate as our Blackness. The truest, most unencumbered expression of ourselves. That is to say, my Blackness will be whatever your Blackness is too. And I will honor that. I will cherish that. I will celebrate the history of that.